हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक माय चैनल। तो आज की वीडियो में हम डेली यूज इंग्लिश को सिंपल हिंदी के साथ सीखेंगे। हिंदी इंग्लिश के डेली यूज सेंटेंस सीखने वाले हैं। तो हमारा फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है आई थिंक सो, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। इट इज पॉसिबल, यह संभव है। आर यू क्रेजी, पागल हो क्या। दिस इज फॉर यू, यह तुम्हारे लिए। हाउ डू यू नाउ, तुम्हें कैसे पता। कम डाउन, शांत हो जाओ। आई विल गो देयर, मैं वहां जाऊंगा। एट एनी कॉस्ट, किस कीमत पर। लेट मी स्पीक, मुझे बोलने दो। डू इट अगेन, इसे फिर से करो। एज यू विश, जैसी आपकी मर्जी।
आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ पर हैं? Where are you? Where are you? मैं घर पर हूँ। I'm at home. I'm at home. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझसे बात करो। Talk to me. Talk to me. यहाँ ध्यान दो। Pay attention here. Pay attention here. मेरी तरफ देखो। Look at me. Look at me. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है। Everything is fine. Everything is fine. विश्वास रखो। Have faith. Have faith. ठीक से बात करो। Talk properly. Talk properly. लगे रहो। Carry on. Carry on. नहा लो। Take a bath. Take a bath. हाथ धो लो। Wash your hands. Wash your hands. जल्दी आना। Come soon. Come soon. यहाँ आओ। Come here. Come here. वहाँ जाओ। Go there. Go there. ध्यान से जाना। Go carefully. Go carefully. खड़े हो जाओ। Stand up. Stand up. बैठ जाओ। Have a seat. Have a seat. चलो चलते हैं। Let's go. Let's go. समय पर आना। Be on time. Be on time. जिद मत करो। Don't insist. Don't insist. इसे संभालो। Handle it. Handle it. इसे पकड़ो। Hold it. Hold it. सावधान रहो। Be careful. Be careful. धीरे चलो। Walk slowly. Walk slowly. जरा रुको। Just wait. Just wait. इसे करो। Do it. Do it. ऐसा मत करो। Don't do like that. Don't do like that. इसे अभी करो। Do it right now. Do it right now. इसे फिर से करो। Do it again. Do it again. इसे दोबारा मत करना। Don't do it again. Don't do it again. मेरे पास 2 कार हैं। I have 2 cars. I have 2 cars. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं। I have 2 children. I have 2 children. मेरा इंतजार करो। Wait for me. Wait for me. मैं इंतजार नहीं कर सकता हूँ। I can't wait. I can't wait. उसका इंतजार करो। Wait for him. Wait for him. मुझे इसकी जरूरत है। I need it. I need it. क्या तुम्हें इसकी जरूरत है? Do you need it? Do you need it? तुम्हें जाने की जरूरत है। You need to go. You need to go. वो आ रहा है। He is coming. He is coming. वो जा रहा है। He is going. He is going. वे लोग आएंगे। They will come. They will come. क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? ये मेरा फर्ज है। It is my duty. It is my duty. मैं अभी गया हूँ। I am gone now. I am gone now. मुझसे मिलो। Meet me. Meet me. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ। I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे वहाँ मिलना है। I want to meet you there. I want to meet you there. मैं आपसे कल मिलता हूँ। I'll meet you tomorrow. I'll meet you tomorrow. आपने सारी हदें पार कर दी। You have crossed all limits. You have crossed all limits. क्या तुम टीवी देखते हो? Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV? तैयार हो जाओ। Get ready. Get ready. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. इसे अपने पास रखो। Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. इसे बदल लो। Change it. Change it. इसे नीचे रखो। Keep it down. Keep it down. सच बोलो। Speak the truth. Speak the truth. मैं सच कह रहा हूँ। I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. मैंने एक फैसला लिया है। I have made a decision. I have made a decision. यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ? How did you come here? How did you come here? मैं आसपास था। I was around. I was around. अपना मूड ठीक करो। Set your mood. Set your mood. लाइट चली गई। There is a power cut. There is a power cut. पंखा चला दो। Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. पंखा बंद कर दो। Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. कमरा साफ करो। Clean the room. Clean the room. पानी ले आओ। Bring water. Bring water. मेरे लिए चाय बना दो। Make tea for me. Make tea for me. चाय ठंडी हो रही है। The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. ये अजीब है. This is strange. This is strange. मैं आपको जानता हूँ. I know you. I know you. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? मैं आपको अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. I know you very well. I know you very well. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. This is a big thing for me. This is a big thing for me. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. Truth is always bitter. Truth is always bitter. तुम बहुत आलसी हो. You are so lazy. You are so lazy. आलसी मत बनो. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. तुम इसी लायक हो. You deserve this. You deserve this. अपनी हद में रहो. Stay within your limits. Stay within your limits. खुद पर नियंत्रण रखो. Control yourself. Control yourself. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? ये मेरा दोष नहीं है. It is not my fault. It is not my fault. मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me. Stay with me. मुझसे दूर मत जाओ. Don't go away from me. Don't go away from me. बस थोड़ी देर और. Just a little while longer. Just a little while longer. मुझे अपना ही समझो. Consider me yours. Consider me yours. मुझे माफ कर दो. Forgive me. Forgive me. मैं तुम्हें माफ नहीं कर सकता. I can't forgive you. I can't forgive you. अपना सामान बांध लो. Pack your things. Pack your things. मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun. Don't make fun. चिढ़ाना बंद करो. Stop teasing. Stop teasing. फिर से कोशिश करो. Try again. Try again. फिर से सोचो. Think again. Think again. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैंने सुना नहीं. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. जल्दी से नीचे आ जाओ. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. मुझे ये कहने दो. Let me say this. Let me say this. बोलने से पहले सोच लो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. This is not a big deal. This is not a big deal. ये किसका बैग है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? ये किसका घर है? Whose house is this? Whose house is this? ये मेरा घर है. This is my house. This is my house. ये बैग बहुत भारी है. This bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need answer. I need answers. आप जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? Why don't you answer? Why don't you answer? आप चुप क्यों हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? कुछ तो बोलो. Say something. Say something. ये खुशी के आंसू हैं. These are tears of joy. These are tears of joy. मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए. I need some money. I need some money. ये रहा आपका पैसा. Here is your money. Here is your money. अपने पैसे गिन लो. Count your money. Count your money. पैसा पेड़ पर नहीं उगता. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees. तुम इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't avoid it. You can't avoid it. आप इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. बात को बढ़ाओ मत. Don't escalate the matter. Don't escalate the matter. क्या मामला है? What is the matter? What is the matter? मैं दिल्ली से आ रहा हूँ. I'm coming from Delhi. I'm coming from Delhi. छुपाओ मत. Don't hide. Don't hide. मुझसे मत छिपाओ. Don't hide from me. Don't hide from me. खुलकर बोलो. Speak openly. Speak openly. मुझसे गलती हो गई. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. ये मेरी गलती है. It's my fault. It's my fault. गलतियों से सीखो. Learn from mistakes. Learn from mistakes. ये बेकार है. It is useless. It is useless. दरवाजा बंद करो. Close the door. Close the door. दरवाजा खोलो. Open the door. Open the door. दरवाजे पर कौन है? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying.
अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और डेली इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो.